Bathed in sunlight, Salma sits on a park bench, a sketchbook resting on her lap. Nearby, a calico cat plays with her kittens, their antics a vibrant tableau of life and energy. A tiny kitten struggles with relentless determination, its every fall met with renewed resolve. Inspired, Salma smiles softly and begins to write, capturing the kitten's spirit in fluid strokes. In the tranquil park, Salma sits absorbed in her notebook, oblivious to the world around her. Her attention shifts as a lone bird hops playfully among the rocks, embodying carefree solitude. The serene scene takes a dramatic turn as the bird becomes trapped, its struggle a stark contrast to its earlier joy. Hope arrives as another bird swoops down, their collaborative efforts a testament to the power of teamwork. Moved by the bird's inspiring display of unity, Salma seizes her pen, immortalizing their act of kindness in her notebook. In the stillness of her room, Salma sits surrounded by her notebooks, each filled with her careful observations. Her fingers trace the pages, rereading her accounts of the animals, each entry a memory. A melancholic expression washes over Salma's face, a shadow of unspoken longing. She cherishes her moments in nature, yet a wistful ache fills her heart, a silent yearning for connection. In a moment of quiet realization, Salma understands her deepest desire to share these stories with a friend. Her voice, soft yet filled with longing, breaks the silence. I wish I had someone to share these moments with.